Hello there, if you're watching this then you can see that the greatest channel on YouTube has hit 100 subscribers. If you would like to be entered into our shoutout competition then watch the video as there is a secret code somewhere in the video. Comment what the code is, share your favorite video from our channel and leave a link to that post in the comment along with the super duper secret code to win a shoutout. Now that that's done, it's time to lose our Now that that madness is done, we can get down to doing you watch as the greatest honor imaginable, eating one seed for every subscriber we have. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, 100 seeds is not enough to win Duck Life. That makes me extra big sad face. That only means one thing: subscribe in order to make sure we have enough seed to beat Duck Life once and for all. Catch you in the next one, and don't forget to enter the shoutout competition.